Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your brake light bulb, a simple task that enhances your driving safety. Having a working brake light is crucial for alerting other drivers when you slow down or stop. We'll cover everything from identifying the right bulb, like a number 2357, to the final test. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set before we begin. Let's get started. Now, let's access the tail light housing. First, open your vehicle's rear cargo tailgate door. You'll find a small plastic access cover near the tail light. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off. Next, use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the two bolts holding the tail light assembly in place. Once the bolts are out, carefully pull the entire tail light assembly straight away from the vehicle's body. With the tail light assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is typically the larger one. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. To take out the old bulb, push it down into the socket, twist it 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and then pull it straight out. Apply a small dab of dielectric grease to the metal contacts of your new bulb for corrosion protection. Then, insert the new bulb, push it down, and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. You're almost done. Reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and turn it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting pins and push it firmly back into the vehicle's body. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, ensuring they are snug. Finally, snap the plastic access cover back into place. Have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light illuminates properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.